Hello and welcome to today's new episode. And today I'm going to share a very interesting fact, or let's say, very interesting data point with all of you. This is the data of Indian export, which is very, very relevant amidst this US tariff war and global uncertainties. I'm amazed with the data of a month of August, August 25. The total export, despite uh, the challenging US tariff, Indian total export, which was supposed to go down, has actually stable. So India's total exports stood at 34.9 billion in August 25 versus 32.9 billion in August 24. This is a 6% growth despite this US tariff. And US this and why I'm specifically mentioning about August month, because August was the first month with the full impact of US tariff. So US trade overall export to US stood at 6.8 billion versus 6.4 billion a year back. So I'm referring again for the data of August month. So this is around 19.7%. The 6.8 billion is actually 19.7% of the total export. If I compare it with the previous month of July, then it was 7.99 billion. This time it is around 14% drop month on month basis. Uh, but very surprising, despite this drop in the US uh, contribution month on month basis, India's total export has not tumbled at all. It is steady and there is year on year growth visible. The whatever the month on month drop is visible, that is, I would say, the higher export in the US just before this tariff was going to be fully imposed, or let's say fully implemented. Before that, there was a rush of export from India that made actually export higher at 7.99. If we compare it with a year back's data, then August 24 it was 6.2 billion. So this jump in the overall export in the month of July was due to the rush to export to US just before overall implementation of the tariff. So I hope this data is helpful and it shows the way how India is diversifying its export. India's export is getting diversified to Europe. FTA is coming up with UK, and with Europe is also in the pipeline. It means entire eurozone is also in the pipeline, and lots of developments, diversification to Africa, and export to China has also gone up. In Brazil has gone up. So these are very interesting and important data points which we need to keep a close eye over the period of time, and how US tariff thing is going to impact or not going to impact us, that is, or how resilient India is, that is very important. We need to keep in touch. I hope you find this data important. I hope that you appreciate this data points and tracking these data points, and if you really find it helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.